Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I have got another unboxing to share with you, and I have got Roccabox, and this is the August box. So as always, if you're new to Roccabox, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it. But if you've seen it all before and you just want to get into me opening this up and showing you the contents, then I'll add a timestamp down below in the comments so you're free to flick forward. So Roccabox is a UK only subscription box and it costs £13.95 a month, and that includes shipping. If you opt for a monthly rolling subscription, you can cancel any month, but they also offer a 3, 6 and 12 month subscription as well. Inside you get between say 5 to 7 beauty products, and you also get some samples in there now and again as well. This is a PR box. Roccabox kindly send me their boxes for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it on my channel. Now I do have a subscription running and I put those boxes up for giveaways on my Instagram page and my Facebook page. I have a July Roccabox giveaway running on my Instagram now, and it finishes in a couple of days time. So if you're not already following me, you're welcome to follow me on both Facebook and Instagram, same name, Diaryofabeautygeek. But yeah, so I just thought I'd keep my subscription running so I could do more giveaways for you lot, and also I've got nice gifts to give to friends and family. So all details and everything related to Roccabox, and also I forgot to say they've given me a discount code. I don't receive anything for it, but you are entitled to have 20% off your first box. I'll pop that down in the description as well. So let's get on to showing you what's inside. Always get a Virgin Wines leaflet and then we get a leaflet here telling you everything about the products, which I will refer to as we go along. Plus it gives you the cost of the product, so I'm able to tot it up and tell you at the end. There you go, give you a bit of a sneak peek first. So I'll just read you a little message from Tia, the founder. It says, "Hi Roccababes, this month we are bringing you your inner mermaid with our under the sea themed edit. We have all the beauty treasures packed into this little pink box, including a waterproof mascara, a mask straight from the sea, and shimmers that even a mermaid herself would be envious of. As always, hope you love this as much as we do." So the first item in the box is something I can't wait to try. I'm really hot. We're supposed to be hitting a heat wave. In London it's supposed to be up like 30 odd, 35 degrees or something like that. Even Cardiff it's near around 30. West Wales, looking out my window, it's grey and it's raining, but it's humid. Oh, it's miserable. I'm really hot, really hot. So I'm going to try this now. But this is a refresh and relax drink, and this is by Bumble Zest, and this is ginger, CBD and turmeric, and it has a splash of lemon, cinnamon and a drop of maple. I've tried a few different drinks from this brand and some of them are really nice, but in all honesty I'm not that keen on ginger and I'm not that keen on turmeric. So I'm not sure if I will like this or not, but I'm just desperate for a drink. So I'm going to give it a go. Whoa, wait! No! No! Oh my gosh! Oh, frustrating! I want it so bad, but I can't. That is, yeah. It hits you straight away. Oh, gutted. Oh, I don't know if we get different ones. I'll have a look now, but I'm gonna have to pass that on to someone else in my family. Never mind. I can't even have a second sip. If you receive it, let me know what you think. So the recommended retail price for this drink is £1.89. This ginger, CBD, turmeric sparkling water, not quite the Caribbean Sea, but it's close, is full of goodness, all in one convenient can, both refreshing and relaxing in one. No, it's not relaxing for me. Anyway, on to beauty products now. So we got a product by Dr. Botanicals, and this is a seaweed biorepair treatment mask enriched with Japanese wakame seaweed and shea butter. This treatment mask aims to hydrate, nourish and restore the look of your skin, and it's 50 mils there. Use as an intensive overnight treatment or a 10-minute ultra hydrating mask for smooth, renewed looking skin. That's the outer packaging. Not seaweed smelling, which is good. It smells quite nice though. I don't know what. It does smell quite nice. So this is full size and it'll cost you £44. This seaweed treat is enriched with Japanese blah 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 blah, what I've just read. It also smells amazing and isn't tested on animals. Always a huge bonus in their eyes. Apply to dry skin and wash off after 10 minutes or leave on overnight. And if you like your Dr. Botanical products, they have a discount code here, DRB 30% for 30% off. So you've got a face mask. Then we've got a very big Mascara. This is a game-changing mascara by Sport FX. It's waterproof and a miracle remover. Waterproof mascara and a miracle remover. I love the design. It looks as if it's drenched in water. I'm not sure if you'll be able to pick that up on the camera. Got a game-changing miracle remover. Looks like that. No, it's not strong smelling, which is good. And then you've got a mascara wand there. It's a teeny tiny wand, but yeah, perfect for my under lashes. Designed for women on the go, or men. I've added that part in. Our game-changing mascara will transform your lashes. It says simply brush the remover wand over your lashes to coat them in the miracle remover. Leave the remover on for 20 seconds, then gently sweep away with a wet cloth or makeup wipe and watch the miracle remover dissolve every last trace of any waterproof mascara. Now, if that works, I'm going to be so chuffed, because I actually do like wearing waterproof mascara, but I absolutely hate taking it off. I really hate taking it off because I can't always get it off. So if this works, it will literally be a game changer. I will wear a waterproof mascara more often. So to buy this, it'll cost you £9.99. A waterproof mascara that lasts through sweat, swim and sun. And then it goes into telling you how to use it. I'm really excited by that. I haven't received anything like that before. And yeah, I do really like the idea of that. So yeah, so there's that. Next we got a product by Monu Skin. This is a Soothing Hawaii Facial Oil, Sandalwood and Lavender for all skin types. And there's 30 mils here. Really pretty design. After cleansing and toning, warm in the palm of your hands and massage into the skin using gentle upwards movements. I just want to see what it's like. Not a lot. I don't want really oily hands. You're not going to see much. Oh, that's nice. That might be nice for like a bedtime oil. It's not strong. It is not strong, which is nice. This is full size and it'll cost you £23.95. It's suitable for all skins and is a gentle oil which provides treatment to relax and comfort the skin. It is a combination of hydrating sandalwood, soothing lavender, essential oils and grapeseed oil to balance and regenerate the complexion. That'd be quite a nice facial oil for like part of your bedtime routine, or even as a massager. As a massaging oil maybe. But yeah. So we got that. Then we've got a Incredible, and this is a You Glow Girl. It's a loose shimmer pigment for eyes, cheeks and lips, and it's ready to be famous. All right then. So it's in a little packet like that. So let's get it out and show you. It's in a little pot. Have to be really careful when you open this because there's no like seal or anything. So I nearly dropped it. Hopefully you can see there. That is really pretty. I won't put that on my lips though. Oh, that is stunning. Wow. No, there's no way I'd put that on my lips. Can you see? Can you see there? Yes, weird. It's all like in like little nuggets. So I have got Ready to Be Famous, and the other one is Have I Got Your Attention, and it's more of like a burgundy shade there. Can you see? So to buy these, it'll cost you £8, and it says a multitasking shimmery makeup product. Could you want anything more? These powerful pots of pigment are packed full of glow dust. We know festivals might not be on the cards this year, but that doesn't mean you can't add a little shimmer to your day. This product can be used on your eyes, lips or cheekbones, or all three. This really will become your partner in shine. So there's that. And then lastly, we've got a Blackhead Remover or a pore cleaner. It's a pore strip, and this is by May Beauty, and this is a pore strip with charcoal, and it removes blackheads. There's 2 strips in here, so this is like part of a set. So this might be an extra added gift or a sample. Whoa, I am shocked. This is full size and it'll cost you £7. I am really shocked. Normally you get these like in a pack of 5 for just a couple of pounds. I don't know, maybe May Beauty is quite a pricey brand. I can't think, have I had anything from May Beauty before? I don't know. It says here, whether we like it or not, we are all, unless you are a magical unicorn who has perfect skin 24/7, prone to the occasional blackhead. May Beauty's pore strips will gently cleanse the nose of all impurities and leave you ready for your next step of pampering. I do like them. I do really like them. So those are all the items. So I'm just going to gather them all up and add them all up, and I'll be back. So these are all the products inside Roccabox for August. The box costs £13.95. The value comes to just under £100. So a massive saving there again this month. So we've got this amazing, it says Game Changer, I'm hoping it is, mascara. It's a mascara and a waterproof mascara remover in one. Then we've got this drink, which unfortunately for me, I just can't handle at all. It's a shame. We got some pore strips, we've got a seaweed face mask, we've got a face oil, and we've got an incredible shimmery eyeshadow there. Again, I think it's a really lovely box. I'm going to put that drink down. Besides the drink, I am really happy with it. I can't wait to try this. I'll use this. The mask seems really lovely as well. The eyeshadow, I'm going to see what it's like to apply on my lid. I won't be using this shade on my lips or cheeks or anything, but for an eyeshadow or an inner eye eyeshadow or something like that, then I think that would be quite pretty. The facial oil seems nice, but it seems, for me, I'd use it more like as a nighttime oil or massaging oil, something like that. So yeah, so as far as the theme goes, it's a little bit strange this month, but I do like the products. And I'm glad I got them. This is the most exciting thing. I can't wait to give this a go. But yeah, as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this box? Have you received yours yet? What do you think of the products? Or are you watching this wondering whether this is a box for you or not? All your thoughts and opinions I'd love to know. So please comment down below. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.